Hey everyone, welcome to my latest TikTok video. Today I'm going to be showing you a requested thing from yesterday, and it is how to make your own TikTok script that will play a sound whenever somebody likes, gifts or follows you on your live. So the first thing that we're going to do is pick install, and we're going to do TikTok live, just like that. As you can see, I already have it, so it says requirement satisfied, but for you it'll install a bunch of packages. We're also going to do pip install Pygame. Again, I already have it, so it'll just tell me that requirement's satisfied, but for you it'll install the packages. That is us done with the terminal. So we're going to go and we're going to do from TikTok live import TikTok live client, like that. And then we're also going to do import Pygame. And just to be safe, we're going to from Pygame import mixer, just like so. So that is all the things that we've got installed there. They're just the packages that we've just installed. They're going to just import some stuff from them that we're going to use later on in the script. So what we're going to do first is we're going to initiate Pygame. Pygame.mixer.init, like that. And then we also need to initialize our live client. So we're going to do client equals TikTok live client, just like that. And then we're going to do brackets unique underscore ID equals, and then we're going to do your username, like that. So in that bit there, you'd put your username, not just at username, and then that way it will know what live to look for. Okay, so now that we've got that all set up, what we can do is we can start listening for some events. So we're going to do client.on, and then we're going to do like, and then we're going to do some async programming. So we're going to do async def on underscore like, and then we're going to do event, just like that, so that it knows we want to listen for an event on the live. And then we're going to print a statement. So we're going to do print, and we need to do an f string, some curly braces, and then in the curly braces we need to put event.user.unique ID, so that it knows which user has sent the interaction. And then we can do likes the stream, like so. After that, we need to do pygame.mixer.music.load, and then we're going to do let's do colon.wav. It has to be a .wav file. It does not work with MP3s properly. And then we're going to do pygame.mixer.music.play, and some brackets there so that it knows to play the sound. You don't need to put colon.wav inside there. That was just my tab 9 making life harder. Okay, so then we're going to do client.on, and then we can do follow, and then another async definition, and then on underscore follow, like that. Async, not what I put there first, and then again we need to tell it that we're listening for an event. The colon to tell it that we're going on to a new line, and we're going to print another statement. And again we're going to put event.user.unique ID in the curly brackets in the f string, and we're going to do followed the host. And then we're going to do the mixer load, and we're going to do damage for emotional damage. And then again you just do pygame.mixer.music.play, like so. And then what we need to do next is we need to initialize the script. So that's going to be for a like or a follow there. and then we're going to initialize this script. So this will basically run the client and it will make it work so that it checks. So we're going to do if underscore underscore name underscore underscore equals equals, and then main with 2 underscores either side of it again, and then we're going to do client dot run, and we're going to do the brackets. So that is basically it, guys. And then the events that you can listen for are, so valid events equals, and then we can do connect, disconnect, like, share, follow, gift, join, update, view account update, and comment, and unknown. So any of these events that you see here, that is basically, you're going to put them there, and you're also going to put them there, and you can play a different sound every time a new event is started. Hope you liked this video, guys, and I will catch you in the next one.